everyone. Welcome to TC online course on marketing and social media web analytics. I am T. Shiva, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science and Business Systems in Tyagaraja College of Engineering. In today's session, we will focus on an extremely important topic called Customized Campaign Performance Report and Metrics. This topic helps us to understand how to measure marketing success using data, especially in digital and social media campaign. So let's begin. So in this slide you can see where this session fits into our overall course. So far we have discussed the foundations of marketing analytics. In this module we are moving forward into practical measurements and reporting, which is essential for real world marketing jobs. By the end of this session, you will clearly understand what performance reports are, why metrics matter, how to choose the right KPIs. Let me briefly explain today's outline. We will discuss why marketing performance should be measured, what a campaign performance report is, important marketing metrics, platform specific metrics, key performance indicators, and finally a short quiz to test your understanding. This structure will help you to think like a data driven marketer. Why measure marketing performance? Now, an important question. Why should we measure marketing performance at all? First, it helps us evaluate the effectiveness of campaign. Without measurement, we are only guessing. Second, it ensures return on marketing investment, called ROI. Every rupee spent and ads must create value. Third, it supports data-driven decisions instead of emotional decisions. And finally, it helps us identify areas for improvement. In short, measurement turns market into science, not an art. Campaign performance report. A campaign performance report is structured summary of how marketing campaign performed. It is quantitative metrics such as numbers, percentage, or rates. These reports are usually shared with managers, clients, and stakeholders. Most importantly, performance reports helps us optimize future campaigns, how we are going to pursue our future campaigns. Purpose of performance reports. The main purpose of performance reports are: first, to monitor progress while a campaign is running. Second, to compare planned result with actual results. Third, to identify strengths and gap. And finally, to improve future marketing strategies. Think of performance report as a feedback system for marketing. Marketing metrics. Now let us understand what is marketing metrics are. Metrics are measurable indicators of performance. They show us how well a campaign is performing. Different campaigns have different objectives, so metrics also differ. For example, awareness campaigns focus on reach. Sales campaign focus on conversations. Key metrics overview. These are the most commonly used marketing metrics. One is reach, the number of audience the data is going to be reached. Next is impression, what the impression it is going to create among themselves. Then engagement, how many time how far the stakeholders have been engaged with that particular thing. Then click through rate or CTR, then conversion rate. We will now understand each of these in detail with example. First, reach. Reach refers to number of unique users who saw your content. If 1000 different people saw your post, your reach is 1000. Reach is especially used for brand awareness campaigns. It tells us how many people we exposed our message to. Next, impression. Impression represents the total number of times the content is viewed. The same users may see the same multiple times. For example, one user sees your ad 5 times, that counts as 5 impression, but only one reach. Impression measures visibility, not uniqueness. So reach was impressions. This slide compares reach and impressions. Reach answers how many people saw it. Impressions answer how many times was it seen. Both together give a complete picture of exposure and visibility. High impression with low reach may indicate repeated exposure to the same user. Engagement. Engagement includes likes, comments, and shares. Engagement shows how relevant the interest and interesting your content is. High engagement means the audience is interested, not just watching. Engagement is a strong indicator of content quality. Engagement rate. Engagement rate is calculated as total engagement divided by reach into 100. This metric tells us how actively users interact with content. A higher engagement rate means strong audience connection. Even with low reach, high engagement rate indicates good content. Click-through rate. Click-through rate measures how many users clicked on your content. So the formula for calculating click-through rate is click divided by impression into 100. Click-through rate measures the effectiveness of your call to action such as buy now, learn more. Low click-through rate means the message or CTA needs improvement. Conversation. A conversation is desired action performed by the user. Examples include purchase, sign up, app install. Conversations are direct business outcomes, not just engagement. Conversion rate. Conversion rate is calculated as conversions divided by click into 100. This metric tells us how successful a campaign is in achieving its goal. High conversion rate means right audience, right message, and right platform. Marketing funnel metrics. This slide explains metrics across marketing funnel. Awareness, reach impression, interest engagement, consideration CTR, action conversion. Understanding funnel metrics helps indicators optimize each stage. Platform metrics. Facebook. On Facebook, key metrics includes reach and impressions, engagement, link clicks, cost per results. Each platform provides metric aligned with its users' behavior. Platform metrics of Instagram. Instagram focuses more on visual engagement. Important metrics includes profile visits, story views, reels engagement, saves and shares. These metrics helps understand content popularity and interests. Platform metrics. YouTube is video centric, so metrics includes views, watch time, average view duration, subscribers gained. Watch time is especially important for content quality evaluation. Key performance indicators. So the key performance indicators are selected metrics aligned with campaign goals. Not all metrics are key performance indicators. Key performance indicators helps in decision making and performance evaluation. Choosing the right key performance indicator is more important than tracking many metrics. Key performance indicator metrics selection. KPI selection depends on campaign objectives, awareness, reach, and for engagement, likes and share, for traffic, CTR, and for sales, conversion rate. Always match KPI with your goals. Based on the goals, the key performance indicator should be selected. Common key performance indicator mistakes. The common mistakes include tracking too many metrics. We have to select the key performance indicators correctly and we have to follow that particular key performance indicator. We should not follow many key performance indicators. Focusing only on vanity metrics. No alignment with business goals. Good marketers focuses on impact, not just numbers alone. Now let us test your understanding with a short quiz. This quiz helps us reinforce the key in concepts such as reach, CTR, conversion, and key performance indicators. The first question is, which metric measures uniquenesses? Option A, impressions. Option B, CTR. Option C, reach. And option D, conversion. The answer is option C, reach. Second question, CTR measures engagement or click effectiveness or reach or views. The answer is click effectiveness. Third question, which metric is most relevant for sales campaigns? Option A, reach. Option B, impressions. Option C, conversion rate. Option D, likes. The answer is option C, conversion rate. Fourth question, which platform focuses on watch time? Option A, Facebook. Option B, Instagram. Option C, YouTube. And option D is X. So it is very clear, the answer is YouTube. Second question, which centrality KPI should be selected based on value option A, platform, all nodes. Option B, campaign objectives. Option C, number of metrics. And option D, trends. Option C is CAT centrality and option D, closeness centrality. The answer is option B, campaign. Which centrality measures assign a baseline value of beta to all nodes? Option A, eigenvector centrality. Option B, between the centrality. Option C is CAT centrality and option D, closeness centrality. So in this video we have discussed about the customized campaign performance report metrics. In the next video we will explain further about customized campaign performance report design insights. Thank you for attending this session, customized campaign performance report metrics. In this lecture we have learned why marketing performance matters, key metrics and KPIs, platform specific metrics. In the next session we will build on the knowledge with deeper analytics and real world applications. Thank you and happy learning.